What's up, everybody? I'm going to show y'all how we replace this screen. Stay tuned. Here's our screen in question. I tried to stretch this to fix it, but ended up ripping it. So we got to replace it now. So we're going to use the same frame. So these tools and materials will be listed in the description. So what I want to do is start off by digging this cord out of here. Get my hand on that. We're going to pull this cord out here and get it ready to go. Okay, I'm going to try to use the same one because I forgot to buy some more. So if you're lucky enough to not break it, you can use the same one. Now I'm going to pull off the old screen. Okay, now we're going to roll out the new screen. You want to be overlapped about 1 inch all around. Then you take the smooth edge of your tool and run it down into the groove of the frame. And you're going to take your rope, put it back where you had it. So now you take the groove side. You used the smooth side earlier. Now you're going to use the groove side to flatten the cord down into the groove. As you can see, when I stretched it, taking it off, went ahead and cut that little extra off. Now we're going to take our blade to cut along the edge here, cut all the excess off. Okay, we finished our screen. Now it's time to go put it on. The screen is done. We're going to go ahead and put it back on. Pop it in. Pop it in place. Good to go. Done. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up for us. Appreciate it. Consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you on the next video.